Oh, I nearly died here. Flashbacks. Well, not bit of floor there. Oh, shit. My poor back. I tell you what, I've not had bad back pain like this for a very, very long time. Oh, well, it's been a while, eh? It has been a while. I've not been on this bike. Yeah, I've not been on this bike in about a month. Mainly because I can't afford I've not been able to afford the insurance on it. And I basically had to take out a credit card in order to get me insured. Oh, fucking hell, my back. I've done something to my back. 8 hours in a car. 8 hours to Cornwall. Well, 8 hours back from Cornwall. Had a nice holiday last week. God, I've come out in this thing without a bloody jacket on. Oh, what a dickhead. I've been really flustered to come out. I've been, I don't know why. Really kind of nervous to come back out on it because I've not been on it in a while. Oh man, I'll tell you what though, this quick shifter really has, since I put this new exhaust on, this quick shifter really has just smoothened up a hell of a lot. It's beautiful. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going to go up to J&S. But obviously I've come out at fucking rush hour. Time to pick the kids up hour, so... Yeah, I went on holiday to Cornwall last week. Down to a place called Tintagel. It was a nice holiday. It's nice just not to do anything. Well, I said not do anything. It's nice just to not have to worry about shit. Then I've come back and now I'm worrying about shit again. One of the bigger things on my mind at the minute is the bike. I'm gonna have to sell it, which is not something I want to do. Which is my only form of transport, but I'm in quite a lot of bother with debt at the minute. I've kind of done myself over getting this bike because I'm paying through the nose for the debt. The bike itself was only 7,800, but I'm ending up paying near enough 10 grand. So I don't know what's going to happen with this thing now. Nice to give you a listen to this exhaust as well, because you've not heard it actually. So there you go. There's a nice buzz of the exhaust for you. I'll tell you what, the suspension is a lot better now that I've messed about with it. I've stiffened up the compression on the rear, which has helped. There's no static sag on the rear with the old setup, but now that I've stiffened the compression up, for some reason the sags come back. Well, I say for some reason, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? You've not got as much weight sagging down on the back, so it's now doing what it should be doing, which is good. It feels a lot more level now. When I'm going over bumps, it doesn't feel like I'm getting sort of buckarooed back and forth. Well, there you go, there's the exhaust. Sounds fucking beast. I think I paid like 100 and something quid for it as well. Fucking cracking deal. It's actually still quite warm for an October, you know what I mean? Watch out for Mr. Tractor. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, good job, buddy. Lovely sound on this bike, though. Oh, I can smell nice things coming from here. But here we are. The most beautiful place on earth. Next to another Triumph. I like that. Oh, shit a brick. Well, I'm going to go have a look, see if there's any pants in here. It's just nice seeing bikes again, you know. Well, I hope to God that I actually pressed record on that other thing, otherwise I'm fucked. I don't know where to tell right now if I have or not. So if I have, then hello, welcome back. If I've not, I didn't press record when I just came up here, then I'm a dickhead. And hello, been a while. Lots of old bikes today. Oh no, I've got to pull out of here and there's fucking 10 years worth of fucking traffic coming down. Fantastic, wish me luck. I went in to get a valuation for this bike. Seems to be a common theme of this place, doesn't it, eh? Selling bikes here. Right, here we go. We'll see. Oh, Federales. But yeah, basically they've just said that, you know, they don't usually take bikes in if there's finance on them outstanding, so I don't know. Stafford Triumph have offered me 7.2 for it, which I think is reasonably fair. But you know, like I said, it's going to be a shame to let this thing. It's going to be every bike that I have. I make a bad decision on, it seems. It's a fucking annoyance. If I'd have just kept that fucking Z900 or the MT-09 or some shit, you know, then I'd be absolutely sweet right now. But I didn't, and I'm not. So, you know, it's one of them. Added another speed camera there, sneaky fucking bastards. So yeah, it's October now. Who saw that coming, eh? I have a fucking clue where it's gone, but it's gone. it's just disappeared. I don't know where time's going, and it's all very cloudy to me as well. It's like I can't really remember the past few months at all. It's not a very nice feeling. Oh, the overrun. Oh, makes me fucking hard, man. Holy shit. Oh, I can't get through there. What thrilling content this is, eh? It's going to be weird. This entire roundabout is going to be turned into a road, which is coming from over there. That's fucking weird, man. Doesn't make sense. Well, it does, but what's going to happen to the roundabout? This roundabout's brand new as well. I mean, look at how fancy the tarmac is. They only built this roundabout a few years ago. It's going to cause more bloody congestion. Big ass road. It's weird, that, isn't it? Because I remember when that was not there. Very strange. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah. So these heater grips are going up, because as soon as that sun goes in, it is nippy. Like little crabs plucking at your tits. Well, that's me, and that's where I've been up to, so I'll hopefully keep you posted. Now that I've got insurance, I can actually do videos. That's why I've not done them, so yeah, whatever. I'll until then, you know, I might not have a bike next time you see us, but hey, it's one of them. Hello boys, Rocket. Hello boys. Oh yeah. Spaff all over me knob. Oh no, me chest. Bye.